already generated $120 in upfront commissions. And it's going to continue to generate me commissions. If you want to grow on YouTube, be sure to subscribe because I share with you the same easy methods that I use to grow. And for those who've been asking, yes, my YouTube Masterclass course is available again, where you get the same methods I use to grow a brand new channel from 0 to over 1,000 subscribers in a month. And you also learn how to monetize your channel the way I do to generate automated income just like this. And to get access to that content, all you have to do is click the link in the description. And you can even see the results YouTubers in the course are sharing. What's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I generated so far $120 with about 10 minutes of effort. And the best part is I will continue to generate income without lifting another finger. So all I did was spend 10 minutes to set it up. I'm going to continue to earn income for weeks, months, and even potentially years to come. And when I say show you, I mean I'm going to go behind the scenes, pull the curtain back. I'm going to show you the service I'm promoting, how I'm promoting it, so that you can do this too and start making money today. Also, I'm going to share with you a very powerful selling strategy, a closing method that you can use to help get people to purchase anything you're promoting. So stay tuned for that. So first and foremost, let's start out with how this whole process started out. So I came across this service a while ago and I've used it on my other channels and it works very well. And what it is, it's a platform called Sprizzy, and I just did a video on it the other day, which we're going to talk about here in a second. And what Sprizzy allows you to do is it allows you to get views to your videos by simply doing a few steps here. One is you're just going to tell Sprizzy by simply giving them a few keywords what your video is about, and you're going to give them a couple other channels that are similar to yours so that they start to understand your audience or who would be interested in watching your videos. And they're going to take that information and your video and they're going to start running ads on YouTube for you, and they're going to do all the targeting and all the testing and optimizing and everything, and you're going to end up getting views, subscribers, and engagement because they're going to put that video of yours in front of people that are going to be interested in it. And when I first looked at their site, I was impressed with the idea, and then when I scrolled down and I saw all these other YouTubers utilizing it, that prompted me to try it out on a couple of my other channels. And it worked phenomenal, as it did for these YouTubers. So you can see right here, this YouTuber, 385,000 views, 1,400 plus subscribers utilizing their service. And you can scroll down through here and look at all the other results. Here's someone that gained over 2,000 subscribers. And since I seen what good it was doing for other YouTubers and what it did for myself, I did what I always do when I come across a great product. And I scroll down to the bottom, and sure enough, I see this wonderful link right here to their affiliate program. And so what that means is you can sign up typically for free, and then Sprizzy is for free, and promote their product, and they're going to give you a percentage of the profits as commission. And so this is something you need to start being aware of if you're just understanding how to make money online, and that is the power of affiliate marketing. So if you're already using a product or service, chances are they will have an affiliate program. And so if they've got a good product and service that you like and would like to promote, you could probably do that. And so that's what I did. I signed up for their affiliate program, which pays 20% commission on any purchases of their service. And not only that, you get paid 20% commission on anyone you refer to them for the next year. More on that in a minute. You're going to see how many people I already have that I'm going to be able to earn commissions on for the next year, let alone the commissions I generated so far with just 10 minutes worth of time. And so again, if you want to check Sprizzy out to use it for yourself, I'll put a link in the description. But that was step one. I came across a product or a service that I liked. They have an affiliate program. I signed up for it. And then here's what I did next. I came over here to my main YouTube channel, the one you're on right now, and I put together a little 10-minute video on how to get subscribers. And I covered a few tips for getting people to subscribe. And then I covered the service that Sprizzy offers to help people get views that are struggling to get views on YouTube. And then I simply went over in that video and showed what I just showed you. And that is I showed them Sprizzy's main page. I showed them the testimonials and the results people were getting. And if you really want to, you can just watch this video yourself to see everything that I did in it. And then I simply put the link to Sprizzy in the description and prompted them to go check it out. And as you can see, I posted this one day ago. So let's look at the results that this simple 10-minute video has earned me in about a day. Well, if we go to my email account that I have associated with Sprizzy and we just hover over the button, you're going to see all these commissions right there. Let me go ahead and open up my email for you. And so right here, Monday night, late Monday night, is when I posted that video that I just showed you on how to get subscribers. And then I did a little promotion on Sprizzy in that video. And that video, like I said, is 10 minutes long, and I've already generated $120 in upfront commissions. and it's going to continue to generate me commissions as people check out that video. Now in a minute here, I'm going to give you a very powerful closing technique to get people to buy, so stay tuned for that. But let's first go and check out my dashboard inside of Sprizzy, because I want to show you something very powerful. So here we are inside my affiliate dashboard for Sprizzy. You can see the sales here, but I want to show you this, the customer. So if we click over on the customer page, you're going to see something pretty cool here. So I've actually promoted Sprizzy in the past as well in another video, and I've done it once more on another one of my channels. Again, just using the same concept, the affiliate marketing concept, and utilizing YouTube as a free traffic source. And if we scroll down here, now I'm going to earn 20% commission on all these customers every time they use Sprizzy for the next 12 months. And so as someone comes in today and utilizes Sprizzy to promote their video through my affiliate link, for the next 12 months from today, anytime they utilize Sprizzy, I'm going to earn a 20% commission. And so just with a couple simple videos, I already have hundreds of customers that I'm going to earn commission on for the next 12 months. So you see these pages just go on and on and on. And so again, that is why affiliate marketing is my favorite way to earn income online. And so let me point out one other aspect that you need, and I'm going to give you a very powerful closing method, so don't leave just yet. So I had the affiliate program that I wanted to promote. I put this video together, this little simple 10-minute video together, and I used my ranking methods to get this video ranked in YouTube, so that in about a day I've already got almost 5,000 views to this video. And so that is a very important thing to note, is that you need lots of views to generate those commissions. If you post a video and you only get 100 views, you might not make one sale out of 100 views. So that's why it's important to understand how to get your video ranked to get lots of views. So I have lots of videos on getting ranked and getting views on my channel. Check those out. If you want all of my best views, I have the link in the description to my YouTube course where I show you everything: how to get views, how to become a YouTube partner, how to monetize your channel in other ways besides AdSense, and how to sell these products so that you get high conversions and make lots of money. But before we wrap this video up, I'm going to give you one powerful tip for closing the sale. And the tip I'm going to share with you today is called the Ben Franklin method. Yes, this Ben Franklin right here. And the reason why they call this the Ben Franklin method was Ben Franklin was known when he would make huge decisions, he would list the pros and the cons, and then based on that list and weighing out the pros and cons, he would use that information then to make what he believed the right decision. And so you want to do that for your customers, for people that are on whatever you're promoting. You want to make that list for them. And I'm going to give you an example of how to do that and how I've done that promoting all my products. So what is the con to using Sprizzy? Well, the only negative is it's not free. But even though it's not free, it isn't that expensive. And they just updated their pricing for this. It was $30, but now it's $50. So $50 is going to get you 2,000 views. So on the con side, that's the only con. On the pro side, there is so much to list. For one, they're gonna do all the work for you. All you're gonna do is pay them $50 if that's your limit, and you're guaranteed to receive at least 2,000 views to your video. And because of the way they are targeting, they are getting people in front of your video that are gonna be very interested in your content, and likely are gonna be fans. And so again, for that $50, not only are you gonna get views, you're gonna potentially get subscribers. You might even get shares. So people may share your video, and so it could lead to even more views. This could get you closer to the YouTube partnership program, or maybe you're already close to the YouTube partnership program, and this could get you the YouTube partnership program. These views are also going to accumulate in watch time and watch hours that you need to become a YouTube partner. And if this happens to get you to the YouTube partnership program, you could then earn AdSense revenue. So you could earn your money back right away. And so if your goal is to become a full-time YouTuber, utilizing Sprizzy right now could get you there that much quicker. So as you can see, by simply creating this list of pros versus cons, you are stacking the deck in favor of people seeing the value, that the value they're getting is far more greater than the money they are spending. And so that is a huge factor in closing any deal. So be sure when you are promoting something to get your prospects to see that value, to see that the value is greater than the money that you are asking. And using the Ben Franklin method is one of the best ways to do that. And so with that said, I'm going to wrap this up, and I will see you in the next video.